Introducing the ACCU-SCOPE EXC-500 Microscope. The EXC-500 is a trusted, durable, and reliable microscope ideally suited for clinical and research laboratories. The standard plan achromat and optional semi-apochromat objectives of the EXC-500 deliver exceptional, brilliant images, allowing you to see your specimens with remarkable clarity and fine details. The EXC-500 series is available with a variety of stages to suit your individual needs. Choose from right or left-handed controls, a super smooth hard-coated anodized aluminum insert plate, or a Gorilla Glass insert plate with white backing to make finding a specimen fast and easy. A specially designed plane stage for pathology applications is also available. The EXC-500 is designed with easy access to stage, focus, condenser, and lighting controls for advanced ergonomics and comfortable operation. The EXC-500's True Color LED delivers color-balanced illumination of your specimen, even for the hard-to-reproduce blues, reds, pinks, and purples. And the Eco-Illumination sensor turns off the light when no operator is detected for 30 minutes. The standard swing-out condenser accommodates objectives from 2x to 100x. An optional turret phase condenser enables both phase contrast and bright field observation. An Abbey condenser and darkfield condensers are also available. The EXC-500 is available with fixed and ergonomic binocular and trinocular heads. For training and consultation, choose a multi-viewing system with options for 2 to 10 observers. Researchers, clinicians, and technicians can perform advanced observation techniques with a selection of accessories for fluorescence, polarization, gout, and DIC. With an industry-leading 5-year warranty, including electronic components, ACCU-SCOPE's EXC-500 gives you the confidence you can trust and the dependability you can rely on for years to come. The EXC-500 delivers exceptional results, dependable and outstanding performance, and an unmatched value for research and clinical laboratories. ACCU-SCOPE, delivering quality through vision.